All metrics are turning bullish after a long bear market. Bitcoin is smacked into the 28,000 resistance level.
The most dramatic example of it to us was the behavior of Bitcoin last week. It absolutely took off. It was a flight to safety vehicle.
This banking crisis is favoring Bitcoin, which is set to outperform all other cryptocurrencies this bull run. This is from Bloomberg Intelligence. People are starting to realize Bitcoin is really the safe option when it comes to your money. With the dollar actually losing a little bit of its value, with more and more of the countries choosing to purchase goods and specifically oil in their own currencies or the Chinese yuan, then the dollar is actually going to lose value quicker than what was previously expected. One of the most important stories that's happening right now is with Saudi Arabia and the BRICS alliance. Traditionally, oil is purchased with the US dollar, but now the Saudis are starting to let countries purchase their oil with their own currency and letting other countries opt in to purchasing with the yuan, which is the Chinese currency. The BRICS alliance is Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. These are some of the fastest growing economies, and the number 2 economy is China behind the US. Now, with this alliance, it's starting to look like the dollar's dominance is going to start to wane. So it's more important than ever to start getting into Bitcoin to safeguard your money against the devaluation of the dollar, against everyone getting away from the US dollar with the banks collapsing. Bitcoin on a hard wallet is going to be the safest bet. Institutions are not backing away from Bitcoin and crypto, but they want trusted partners. We're still early. The Lightning Network is slashing transaction costs to virtually zero. This makes almost instantaneous cash payments around the planet. All metrics are turning bullish after a long bear market. You can see from peak to cross, we've had 506 days, which our last bear market was 506 days, and the previous bear market was 688 days. So we are at the matching point for the last bear market in 2018, 2019. And so what we could have seen was the bottom for crypto, for Bitcoin specifically. Real quick, we'll look at Bitcoin. We are down on the 24-hour and the 7-day. 7 days, 1.66%. We are still sitting at 27,000 right now. Ethereum's at 1,700. It is also down 1.45% on the 7-day and 1.23 on the 24-hour. BNB is 328. XRP is 48 cents. We are going to see XRP have a slight run up into the news with their filing with the SEC, and if it's positive for XRP and it's not a security, we are going to see a massive run with XRP, maybe even overtaking BNB for the market cap. Cardano's sitting at 35 cents. Doge is 0.077 cents. Polygon's $1.08. Polygon's had a little bit more. There's a lot more movement in Polygon, and with Arbitrum coming out, you're going to see Polygon lose a little bit at the beginning while people buy into ARB. Now let's go back over to the Bitcoin chart, kind of talk about it. So this is our resistance zones. What we saw here is we smacked into the 25,000 resistance range. We've come down. We actually broke the 200-day moving average. We came back through it. We found support at 19,000. We got stopped at the 24,000 resistance range again. A lot of times when you have a second testing, or even sometimes it takes a third testing, if you see consolidation here, if you can break through it, come back, retest, now this is a support. So now we moved up to the 28.9, almost broke the 28,000. This is a range. This is I need to draw another line with some of the wicks for our resistance, and it kind of gives us a better idea. So we're consolidating now. If we get volume we can maybe break in, but what we might see is another test of the support range, 25,000 before we move either back up or down to the 19. So you can see these support and resistance ranges actually are quite clear. And so we have a little consolidation here. This is bull flag. And if we get enough volume and we start getting people buying in, there's trillions of dollars on the sidelines waiting to be put into the market. And with the NASDAQ and some of these bigger institutions, you're going to see some of that money go into cryptocurrencies. People are wanting to get into Bitcoin right now because it's risk on. People are viewing it as a safer option because you can self custody, right? You can self custody. You could have your warm wallet on the internet, your apps. You could have a cold wallet where it's in your house. So it's a lot safer right now than, say, your regular institution banks.
Most dramatic example of it to us was the behavior of Bitcoin last week. It absolutely took off. It was a flight to safety vehicle. And so it is really proof of concept that innovation solves problems. There are, in Bitcoin, fully decentralized, fully transparent, auditable, which is addressing all of the banking's problems right now. And so a flight to safety, a little bit of an insurance policy. There's no central point of failure in Bitcoin.
We're at 79 subscribers. Stay tuned. We have a couple videos dropping this week. Like, what is Bitcoin? We're going to talk about why Bitcoin's so great. What's so revolutionary about it? What makes it safer than your traditional way of saving just regular dollars, sticking money underneath your mattress, or even putting your money in a bank. With all your banking crisis, I figured we wouldn't have to talk about it, but we'll touch on all subjects. Now, if you're enjoying these videos, give them a like, subscribe to my channel. Until next time.